So guys, for the first step, once we're on Google Chrome, we're going to click on the three dots in the top right, then we're going to head over to settings. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to privacy and security, and then we're going to click on clear browsing data. And then you want to make sure that you're on the advanced tab, and then you want to do all time, and then you want to make sure that these first four are selected, and then click on clear data. For the second step, we're going to head over to extensions, and then you want to remove all the extensions that you don't use. To remove it, just click on remove. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in run, then we're going to type in clean mgr, click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to clear all of the temporary files and cache on our drives. So first I'm going to start with the Windows drive, which is the C drive for me. I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to make sure that everything here is selected, and then click on clean up system files. And then click on OK on the same drive again. Once that's loaded up, you want to make sure that everything here is highlighted again, and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. You can repeat this method for all your other drives. For the next method, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Task Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to click on Memory so that all the apps that are utilizing the most memory are going to show up first. You want to make sure that you have enough memory left over for Google Chrome. But if you have like over 90% memory, then you just want to close out all the apps which are taking up a lot of memory and you don't need. So the way to close it is just by clicking on it and then click on End Task. Do that until your memory goes down. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on yes, and then we're going to type in sfc /scan now, click on enter, and then you want to run this scan. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates, click on it. Once you're on it, you want to check for updates and do up the updates that you may have. For the last step, if it's still not working, head over to search and type in add or remove programs, click on it, and then we're going to scroll down till we find Google Chrome, click on the three dots and uninstall it, and then just reinstall it again from any other web browser. Just type in Google Chrome on the web browser and just install it.